Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the RSI2 indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the RSI2 indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 37 different strategies, with 10 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 457 indicators, with 190 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these indicators and most of the strategies on Forex, but they can be used for just about any market, crypto, Forex, regular stock exchange, what have you. So, all right, back to today's indicator. It is the RSI2 indicator, and it's actually down here on the bottom of the screen. So what I did was I actually moved it down here to the bottom of the screen. It was originally up here on price action like this, and I know it's really hard to see, but if I zoom in here, you can now see these arrows starting to appear. And I did change those arrows. For the up arrows, I made them green. For the down arrows, I made them red. What I did was I clicked on these little three lines right here. It says more. I went to move to new pane below. And now you can see that they're down here underneath price action, their own little area. It just makes it a tad bit easier to identify them. Have to keep this kind of zoomed in still, so that way we can see even if we went like this. Anyways, so the setup on this is when we get a green arrow, we are going to go long. When we get a short arrow, we are going to go short. Or when we get a red arrow, we are going to go short. So that's the setup on this. That's what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get. Right, so the first one we picked up was a red arrow for a short signal, And you can see that price action dipped down here, started to pull itself back up, but then dropped really hard right here. That would have gotten us to take profit. Then over here on this side, we got a long signal, a green arrow, and so pretty much immediately we have price action just kind of dump out there, and that got us stopped out there. Yep, barely hit our stop, but it did. And so that one would be a losing one. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then we picked up a long over here, but price action pulls back really strong almost immediately after that signal. That came down and hit our stop before it then started to push its way up from there. But then we pick up this short over here. It's right at the end of this move to the upside as it starts to roll itself over right here. Has this decent little pullback here to the downside, which got us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long. And we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, you'll get access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post almost everyday market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using exactly where they are entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. The patrons love being able to follow along with those trades in their own accounts. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, which shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, as well as our win rates. You'll also get access to the Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. Our admin Rob posts almost everyday scanner alerts. These are crypto and Forex scanners, his own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. As he gets an alert to the scanner, he'll post it in the channel for all the patrons to see and take advantage of those trading opportunities. And a new thing that we've been doing is one of our regular members has put together a excellent team of some very talented people who are developing strategies, have developed a whole suite of strategies that they are optimizing, that they have developed and put together, and are offering those really awesome strategies and indicators for all the patrons of the channel to have for free access to them, this invite only indicators. And so there's a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, let's take a look at what we have here. Let's get in focus here, count these out. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. 21 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 winning trades. So that's going to fall just short of that 60% criteria that we were looking for. It seemed like it was an okay indicator. got a little on the, little on the jerky side, giving some, throwing some signals in areas that it didn't really need to. And yeah, all in all, it wasn't a horrible indicator, but it wasn't great either. Wasn't quite able to meet that criteria that we was looking for. So this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.